is up, everybody? It's your boy K1K. We back out here on the streets, and it's a beautiful day out here in Central Texas. It is about 72 degrees, I want to say, the last time I checked. Let's see what the bike's saying. 68. Beautiful weather, guys. Got to get it in while I can. And after the little small snowvid experience we had, everybody was traumatized for a couple of days. We back in action. So got some excellent news for you guys today. Spoke with Woolich today through email to double check and find out about, when are we going to be able to tune these bikes with Woolich software. And they said they are very, very close to releasing the information or releasing the software to be able to tune. So close, in fact, that they told me that I can send in my ECU to them. They can get some information off of it, send it back the next business day, and they'll go ahead and cover my $100 software license pretty much charge for doing it. And which is dope. Not going to turn that down, save a little bit of money off, because I plan to get the log box, all that good stuff, the wideband and all that stuff, so that way I can see what my bike is doing at all times and all that. So looking forward to that. I'm going to go ahead and yoink this ECU out tonight after I get done riding and ship it out, and we'll go from there. But they said that the ZH2 stuff is what they were doing first, and they said maximum a week time for finishing that, but probably a few more days before they go ahead and release. And they said that our ECUs are very similar, so they said they're going to hop right on that, and they don't anticipate it taking that long to iron out the final touches on our stuff too. So looking forward to seeing what everybody's going to accomplish with that, seeing some of the big shops. Also, obviously, Track Ready Performance is going to be doing mine, so you guys are definitely going to be a part of that. We'll get some footage of the tuning process and how she performs with Woolich in there, which obviously is going to be 100% custom map with everything to include timing, kill switch, or quick shifter kill times, oh lord, and all that good stuff. So it's going to be awesome, man. Can't wait to do this. Wish this was out sooner, but good things take time, so can't wait for that. But yeah, so that's going to be out. Sure, some of the other big shops, EJR, Nick's Performance Tuning, and all these guys are going to be tuning the hell out of some of these bikes pretty soon here. And now guys aren't limited to mail-in flashes, which, for what they are, they're usually, pretty straight. But, if I could have done it all over, I might have just thugged it out and waited. But, the unknown of not being sure how long it would take was what killing me. And it took the Yamaha gang a while to get their stuff. I want to say it was like 2 years before Woolich, cracked the ECU on that. I couldn't imagine waiting another full year to be able to have some fun with the bike like that. So I don't regret it, but if I'd have known it would have been first quarter this year, I would have just waited. Especially with me being in Colorado for work, plenty of the time of me owning this bike, it wouldn't have been that bad with only pretty much being here for like 4 months or 3 months of actually owning the bike and waiting. So it is what it is, it's just one of those things, but yeah, so gonna be doing the ECU stuff and get it sent back and put it back in the bike, and then just be patiently waiting. Obviously remove the power commander and all that stuff once it comes in, get everything hooked up and go from there. But I did also just order an anti-gravity lithium battery, so I'll be yoinking out the stock stock Fat Boy out, and obviously gonna go save some weight on that. I think they say this battery is 2.6 pounds that we're getting. I think the stock is closer to 10. I'm not really sure the exact weights, but I'll throw it on the scale and we'll see. But yeah, doing little small things here and there, man. And if you guys aren't on my social media, you probably don't know, but I ended up getting kind of screwed over a little bit. I'm in the process of trying to work on an exchange. I ordered an OEM C-cowl from WeBike. No, it's not their fault, but I had a defect on my C-cowl. I'll put some pictures in the description, or I'll show some pictures right now. But it ended up getting it had a defect in it. So underneath the bottom of it, where you install that bracket, the molding for that plastic is showing through the top of the C-cowl, man. It's like a pretty good sized U-shape just sitting in there. And then there's a couple of spots towards the rear that are showing some imperfections. So I sent pictures and everything. I'm waiting to figure out how we're going to handle it, but I don't want the money back. I just want to exchange, because I definitely still want a C-cowl. So hopefully it's something that we can remedy and spend a decent time and get another one out, and we'll go from there. But in preparation for Woolich and, you know, different things, I am going to go back to Track Ready pretty soon and have them install all the other stuff. You know, the Brock strap kit, Brock's window link, the FX CNC damper. We're going to lower the bike a little bit all the way around, strap it. I do have Vortex 520 conversion chain, well, the sprockets and the EK chain 3D, and then the Light-Tech mirror block offs. I honestly use my mirrors a lot, so I don't know if I'm going to have the mirrors off all the time. We'll see. But I need to see what it's like riding without them. I already head check a lot, so it'll probably just be a lot more head checking periodically to make sure nobody's up on me and stuff like that. But, you know, we'll see. So I just got to get used to that. But I like the look of no mirrors on a bike. Awesome look. So we'll see. But super excited to give you guys the news about Woolich and sending the bike off, or sending the ECU off. Can't wait. And gonna hit up some of the other 6th gen homies and see if they want to send theirs off too, to save a little bit of money, because I know lots of people were waiting for this. Lots and lots of people. You know, these keys are going to be flying off the shelf to be able to tune here pretty soon. So it's an exciting time for the game, man, and for the ZX10 owners. ZH2 apparently too, about to be happy pretty soon too, and it's gonna be awesome. Forgot to ask you guys in a video where I had my K1K shirt on. What you guys think about that? Let me know. My mom made the shirt. She does different things like that. A friend of mine made my logo, my best friend, Tony Tone Fool, which I need to get out there to the Austin area so you guys can check out Ish Idea stuff. I owe y'all that. You guys get a chance to meet him and see what he's about. But he made the design for me. You know, my mom's doing my clothing stuff for me. I don't have anything for sale or anything like that yet, but for now I'm just making stuff for me and, you know, coming up with some ideas. But I may sell some merch at some point. That is the plan. But I am actually debating changing the logo a little bit. I love it, but I feel like it could be a little better. So let me know what you guys think about the logo. You think it's simple but good enough? Do you guys have any ideas of what I should do? Should I leave it alone, change it? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Appreciate that. But I appreciate you guys watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I look forward to talking to y'all another day. Take it easy.